I'm gonna show you how I picked the best pumpkin seeds for me and why I did it. I went to my friend ChatGPT. I typed in, I wanna grow a giant pumpkin where I can find the right seed and when do I need to plant it to be ready for Halloween? And it says where to get pumpkin seeds. The best seed source, there's 5 of them. Atlantic Pumpkin Seeds, Howard Dill Atlantic Giant Seed Strains, Wallace Giant Pumpkins, BigPumpkins.com, and then a seed catalog. But where it says Wallace's Giant Pumpkins, it also says top genetics from record growers. That's the one I want. That's what I want. I want the good genetics from giant pumpkins. The goal is 2,000-pound pumpkin. So that's what I did. From there, I just Googled Wallace pumpkin seeds and I went to their website and that's how I got my seeds. So it's that simple. I just came over to my phone, opened up ChatGPT, asked a simple question, bam, 5 different options came up. Who knows what's right or what's wrong? I picked the one I thought was the best. Who knows if it's the right one? But let's check it out because the box just got here.